This is a remarkably clever technique of Japanese origin called ikabano, used to guide flowers with extreme precision. When the master gathers lotus stems together and ties them tightly, this process creates a natural base known as a kenzan. Then he cuts more stems and inserts small wooden picks into each one. In this way, each flower gains internal support and can be positioned exactly where desired. The kenzan not only provides water, but also ensures that the entire arrangement remains firmly in place. Because this technique is based on blending human touch with nature in harmony, the master shapes the petals and overall appearance of each flower, consciously deciding how it will be presented. As a result, a simple yet impressive bouquet emerges, where all flowers remain alive, nourished by water, and perfectly positioned in place.